Hello everyone. Hope that all of you are staying at home. Students, can you hear me clearly? Is the sound clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Why the participation is only 4? Already 4 minutes over, but the number of participation is only 4.
The others will soon come, ma'am.
See. Okay, since the participation is not satisfactory, so we will start after some few minutes because this class is important for all of the students as all of them can join with us. That's why we will start after 2 minutes. Okay, so please.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
ম্যাম সিটির কারণে এই সমস্যা হচ্ছে ম্যাম।
ইন্টারনেট
ম্যাডাম সিটি আমাদের প্রিভিয়াস ক্লাসে সিটি এখনো চলতেছে ম্যাম, একটা পর্যন্ত টাইম দিছে বাট ইটস নট সাফিসিয়েন্ট। আমাদের মানে অনেক টাইম মানে মাত্র 15 মিনিট টাইম দিছে বাট
15 মিনিট ফর সিটি
সাবমিশনের জন্য ম্যাম, বাট
সাবমিশন আই সি
একটু টাইম বেশি লাগতেছে ম্যাম।
You submit it in the Google Classroom or email?
Google Classroom.
Google Classroom. That's why I think it takes more time. If you use email, then I think but it will be tough for teachers if you submit it through email because then he or she has to download it from the email. But when it is through Google Classroom, then it is easy for the instructor to take your script, okay? That's why. Okay, yesterday we have a contradiction between the values of infinity by infinity. Is that a student is present here? There is a contradiction in the values for infinity divided by infinity. Is he present now? I think he is not present. Okay.
ম্যাম গত ক্লাসের ক্লাস রেকর্ডটা এখনো দেন নাই।
Class recording problem হচ্ছে the storage of my PC is full. So I cannot convert the videos into MP4. That's the problem. So I have to delete more videos from my PC and after that I have to convert it to MP4. Otherwise, if I do not convert it, then I cannot upload it in the Google Classroom. Okay, that's the problem. So I need some time to decide which files are not important for me. After that, I have to remove them from my PC. And after that, I will be able to convert it. Okay. I will try to do that within 1 or 2 days. And I will upload the 2 videos of this week togetherly. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Really, for online classes, when we store the videos, then it's saved in the storage of our PC, and all of you know that about the storage problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And since we have
Face the same problem.
I think students and teachers, all of them face the same problem, storage problem, both for PC, Google Classroom, email ID, and in many cases. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ম্যাম অনলাইন ক্লাসগুলোকে এমআইটি তো গুগলের অফিশিয়াল অ্যাকাউন্টটা কিনতেই পারতো, আনলিমিটেড স্টোরেজ থাকতো।
Yes, if it happens, then it will be a great opportunity for the teachers, I think, and it will be helpful for students also. Because in email ID, the storage is only 15 GB, right? So I have to remove the previous classes. After that, I have to upload the new one.
Previous class গুলা remove করে দিলে problem নাই ম্যাম।
Yes. Yes, I have to remove them. Otherwise, I cannot upload the new one. Okay. Already 7 minutes over, but the student is 13. We will wait for 2 minutes, okay? We will wait for 2 minutes and after that we will start.
Start it, ma'am.
What is this? City is disturbing. I didn't hear you properly.
Ma'am, class take এখান থেকে start.
Yes, I'm waiting for you. Not only for you, for all of the students.
Ma'am, আজকে একটু কম ম্যাথ করেন ম্যাডাম, পরীক্ষা দিছি ম্যাম।
Exam কেমন হয়েছে? How about your exam?
মোটামুটি ম্যাডাম।
ম্যাম অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের মতো কোশ্চেন দিছে, টাইম দিছে।
হিউজ লেখা ম্যাডাম, হিউজ।
I will not do that. I will give you probably 4 questions for Laplace transformation. And this is as usual as your in general mathematics exam, okay? Yesterday, we have a contradiction for the values of infinity by infinity. If that student is present, please inform me, okay? If after coming, I will explain that discussion. Basically, for the calculation of infinity, there are many different types of expressions or different types of thinkings of different mathematicians, okay? So there is no direct answer for such type of problems. I searched many times in many different ways, but I didn't get any exact and accurate answer for that. Okay, already 9 minutes over, so I think my God, it's 10 minutes over, so I think we should start from now. And since you are tired, I will try to complete it in short time, okay? So today we'll discuss about at first the property is second translation or shifting property. What is this? If the inverse Laplace transformation of the function f of s, then it will be f of t, and all of you know that. This is the definitions of any inverse Laplace transformation of any function small f of s, and the property is that inverse Laplace transformation of any function which is the multiplication with the exponential function, that means e to the power minus as into f of s is equal to this. And here it is expressed in terms of a piecewise function. For t greater than a, it will be f of t minus a, and for t less than a, it will be 0. Here at first, the question is find the Laplace transformation of this function. So if you want to find the second translation or shifting property, then you have to try to find the similarity between these and this, okay? If it's possible to make a comparison with this term with this, then you can able to use the second translation or shifting property. If you convert your function, given function e to the power minus pi s by 3 divided by s square plus 1 to e to the power minus as f of s. If you are capable to compare your given function with this, so in that case, we can use this property, otherwise not, okay? So here it is e to the power pi s by 3. If you consider a is equal pi by 3, consider a is equal, what is a is equal pi by 3, so it can be written e to the power minus as, right? And consider f of s is equal 1 by s square plus 1. So we can convert our given function e to the power minus as f of s, where please silent your device. So here we found that if you make a comparison with this, a is equal pi by 3, f of s is equal 1 by s square plus 1, and it is similar to this term, e to the power minus as f of s. Since they are similar, so we can use second translation property or shifting property. And for finding or applying second shifting property, at first you have to find inverse Laplace transformation of f of s, which is equal f of t. Okay, which is equal f of t. But at first we will consider f of s. What is f of s? For this problem, your f of s is 1 by s square plus 1. If you make a comparison this term with this term, your f of s will be 1 by s square plus 1. Now you will find the inverse Laplace transformation of f of s, which is f of t. So inverse Laplace transformation of f of s, which is f of t. So inverse Laplace transformation of f of s, that is 1 by s square plus 1. And what is this? What is the Laplace transformation of this?
90, ma'am.
Sine t, yes. It will be sine t, and we may consider it as capital F of t. Now you can directly use the second translation or shifting property, that is this is equal f of t minus a comma t greater than a 0 for t less than a. So using second shifting property, what can we write down? We can write down that this is equal using second shifting property, we can write down this equal will be this, right? This will be this, but here f of t is sine t. So what will be for f of t minus a, where a is equal pi by 3? From here, we can see that your values of a is pi by 3, right? If you compare it with Laplace transformation of e to the power minus a is f of, probably it is f of s. Yes, f of s. If you compare these, then the values of a for here will be pi by 3. So by using second shifting property, we may write down this will be equal f of t minus a. So it will be f of t minus a. And here a is pi by 3. Pi by 3. For t greater than pi by 3 and 0 for t less than pi by 3. Okay. So by using second shifting property, we can write down this is equal this. And the next time will be Laplace transformation of e to the power minus pi s by 3 divided by s square plus 1 and f of t minus pi by 3. Here it is f of t. Sine t is your f of t. So the answer will be sine t minus pi by 3, where t is greater than pi by 3 and 0 for t is less than pi by 3. Okay. So that's the answer for your given inverse Laplace transformation of your given function. So in this way, you can apply second translation property, but at first you have to find the similarity with your given function and the left side of your property. If there is a similarity between them, then try to apply the theorem or the property in this case. And you have to find the values of a, values of f of s. After finding values of f of s, you have to find the inverse Laplace transformation of f of s. That will be f of t. Okay. And after finding f of t, you can directly use the second translation property for finding the inverse Laplace transformation. So students, is there any problem to understand this property and how can you apply this property for finding inverse Laplace transformation? Okay, now it's change of scale property. Okay, that's your change of scale property, that if the condition is if the inverse Laplace transformation of the function f of s is equal to f of t, then inverse Laplace transformation of function f, which is a function of ks, here k is constant, k is arbitrary constant, is equal 1 by k f of t by k. Here k is your arbitrary constant. Now we will try to show the application. 2s divided by 4s square plus 16. Okay. So this is our problem. You have to find the inverse Laplace transformation of this. And if you want to use the change of scale property for solving this math, then you have to try to find the similarity between them. Here, if it is f of ks, then what will be the Sorry, there is an internet problem. So what is this? If I want to use change of scale property.
ম্যাম
Yes.
নেটে প্রবলেমের জন্য ম্যাম বুঝতে পারিনি ম্যাম, একটু শুরু থেকে বুঝাবেন এটা?
Okay. Here basically this is our change of scale property. If Laplace transform, inverse Laplace transformation of this is equal f of t, then inverse Laplace transformation of a function f, which is a function of ks, will be 1 by k f of t by k, and here k is constant. Here k is constant. That means if your f of s is equal 1 by s square plus 1, and I consider k is equals to 2, then for f of ks, for ks it will be 1 by ks whole square plus 1. That means when k is equals to 2, it will be 1 by 2s whole square plus 1. Something like this, okay? It will be something like this if I consider k is equals to 2. So in this property here, k means any arbitrary constant term. Now I want to solve this inverse Laplace transformation by using this property. So here at first you have to find the values of k, which is k. If you make a comparison with this function, then what will be the values for k? S, here s is replaced by ks, okay? S is replaced by ks. So if I consider k is equals to 2, if you consider here k is equals to 2, then it will be 2s can be written as ks. 4s square can be written as ks whole square plus 4 square. That means it will, if I consider k is equals to 2, then it will be transferred to a function ks, right? Then we can write down this is equal a function f of ks. Is it clear? Yes?
Ma'am, scale change of scale property নরমাল ল্যাপ্লাস ট্রান্সফর্মের জন্য যেরকম ছিল এই ইনভার্স ল্যাপ্লাস ট্রান্সফর্মের জন্য একই ম্যাম, এটার কারণ কি?
Basically, there is a deep relation between scale property and inverse Laplace transformation. You know that Laplace transformation of f of t is equal f of s. And if you take the inverse term, f of t is equal L inverse, it is f of s. Since they are inverse to each other, then all of the properties will be like that. From here, I can derive the properties for Laplace transformation. It will be, take this Laplace transformation operators to the right side. It will be Laplace transformation of f of t is equal f of s. Then Laplace transformation of f of t. If you take this inverse Laplace operator to the right side, then it will give the properties for your Laplace transformation because they are similar and opposite. Laplace transformation and inverse Laplace transformation are just the opposite to each other. So in that case, they are similar types, okay? But they are opposite. Here the operator is different, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So here we have found that our values for k is 2. Let's consider our f of s. What will be our f of s? Is f of k is equal to this, then what will be our f of s? It will be s square plus 16, right? Am I right? If this is our k of s and k is equals to 2, that means 2s divided by 2s whole square plus 16. Is this f of ks? Then what will be the values for f of s? K will be replaced by ks will be replaced by s, so 2s will be s, 2s will be s. Okay, that's our f of s. Now we'll find capital F of t by finding inverse Laplace transformation of this. So inverse Laplace transformation of f of s will be inverse Laplace transformation of s by s square plus 4 square. And here for these there is a direct formula. I think that formula is cos at, right? S by s square plus a square is equal cos at. Here a is 4, and it will be our capital F of t. It will be our capital F of t. Now you will use the direct formula. By using scale property, you will use this direct formula. This is equal this. Okay.
ম্যাম আমরা এখানে 2s টাকে s কনসিডার করতে তাই না ম্যাম?
Yes, here k is 2, so this is the function for ks, and replace ks by only s, then we will get f of s. So now we will use what? We will use scale property using change of scale property, inverse Laplace transformation of 2s divided by, this can be rewrite as 2s whole square plus 4 square, and it is equal 1 by k. And for this problem, our values of k is 2 into f of t by k. This is our f of t, right? Cos 40 our f of t. Then what will be the result for f of t by k? T by k means t by 2. This is your f of t. Then what will be the result for f of t by 2? Here t will be replaced by t by 2. Okay. This is our f of t. Now we will find f of t by 2. That means your t will be replaced by t by 2. Now we can write down, it will be half cos 4. T will be replaced by t by 2. Okay. So it will be half cos 2t. Is it clear?
ম্যাম আরেকবার
আরেকবার না?
লাস্টেরটা লেটার
Last line.
জি ম্যাম একটা ইয়ে
This
লিখে
line?
না cos, হ্যাঁ f t by 2 টা যে cos হবে
Okay.
ম্যাম
Okay. For these, at first you have to find capital F of t, right? For using this scalar property, you have to find capital F of t, that is the Laplace transformation of f of s. And this is your f of ks. So replace k s by only s, you get f of s. And your f of s is s by s square plus 16. And by using this, your inverse Laplace transformation will be cos 4t. Okay. So our capital F of t is cos 4t. Our capital F of t is cos 4t. And your change of scale property is inverse Laplace transformation of f of ks equal 1 by k f of t by k. And we have found that for our given problem, the values of k is 2. So it will be 1 by 2 f of t by 2. Now, this is your f of t. So from here, you have to find f of t by 2. This is your f of t. So replace here t by 2, then you will get f of t by 2. So if you replace t by 2, it will be t by 2 is equal cos 4 into t by 2. Okay. This 2 and 4 will cancel each other. It will be cos 2t. So for f of t by 2, your result will be cos 2t. Now write down here half cos 2t. Now is it clear to you?
yes ম্যাম
Okay, yesterday we have a contradiction for the values for log infinity by infinity and normal infinity by infinity, right? Now I think he's present.
জায়েদ কই
Missing? আচ্ছা যদি সে absent
ম্যাম
থাকে,
এই যে ম্যাম এসে পড়ছে
okay.
কিছু বললেন ম্যাম?
Yes, yesterday we
ও
have a
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ ম্যাম,
contradiction.
এটা ইয়েস ম্যাম, এটা আমার কোশ্চেন
Yesterday
ছিল,
we have a contradiction for
আমি
the values of,
লিখতেছিলাম।
yes, we have a contradiction for these. So if you consider this is logarithm, then your answer is okay. It will be log infinity by log infinity. And in many cases, here for this answer, there is the contradiction for many mathematicians, okay? But we will
Yes, ma'am.
pick that answer which is appropriate for us. Some
Okay, ma'am.
mathematicians consider that infinity minus infinity produces 0, and some mathematicians believe that it will produce another infinity. But for our that problem, we
আমরা
will
জিরো
be
কনসিডার করছি।
yes, we will be beneficial for the answer 0. That's why for this case, we will consider 0, okay?
ওকে ম্যাম,
Different case, different mathematicians consider that will be infinity. I analyze this in many ways, in many fields, but there is no exact result for such type of problems.
ইয়েস
Okay.
ম্যাম, এক্স্যাক্টলি, থ্যাংক ইউ
And
ম্যাম।
now for infinity and infinity, here there is also contradiction.
ম্যাম এটা তো ওই যে লিমিটে অঙ্কগুলো ছিল তখন এই ফর্মটা আমরা সার্চ করতাম যেন লাস্ট
indeterminate. You have
হ্যাঁ
considered
এল
this
হসপিটাল
indeterminate.
ইয়েস ম্যাম
But here the main thing is I do not know the actual value for these and I do
And
not know
this,
the
yes,
actual
ma'am.
value of this. If they are similar, if these two infinity or undefined form is similar, then it will be produced one. But
Yes,
we
ma'am.
do
That
not
is a
know.
possibility, but not for certain.
That is a possibility, but it is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
sure for us. That's
Yes,
why we
ma'am.
may consider this as infinity or undefined or indeterminate. Okay.
Okay,
That's
ma'am.
the reason.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now we will go for another properties, that is inverse Laplace transformation of derivatives. Inverse Laplace transformation of derivatives. Okay, that's the inverse Laplace transformation for derivatives property, which is this. As the previous one, you have to find your inverse Laplace transformation for f of s, that is capital F of t. And the properties outcome is that inverse Laplace transformation of f to the power ns. Here it may be first differentiation, second differentiation, third differentiation, something like this. Then your answer will be minus 1 to the power n t to the power n f of t. Okay, your answer will be minus 1 to the power n t to the power n f of t. And from here we can write down the property for only Laplace transformation. It will be Laplace transformation of f of t is equal minus 1 to the power n t to the power n f to the power n s, right? Something like this. So we will not go for the Laplace transformation. We will only discuss for inverse Laplace transformation. If it is f to the power n is, that means it is the differentiation. It may be first differentiation, second differentiation, or third differentiation. But it will be the differentiation of this f of s. Here at first you have to find out f of s, and this function will be the differentiation of your f of s. Okay, if you find that, then you can directly use this formula, minus 1 to the power n t to the power n f of t. But here there is a problem. By seeing this function, your differentiation term, you have to find out f of s. That's the problem. Here I consider a problem, inverse Laplace transformation of minus 2s by s square plus 1 whole square. So from here, this is our f to the power ns, and we do not know what is the values for n. Here it is our f to the power ns. That is the differentiation of the function f of s, but we do not know either it is first differentiation, second, or third. And it's really tough for students to find out the real values for f of s and consider that the values of n. Okay. So if your given problem is possible to solve it by using another property, then my suggestion for all of you to consider that property is keep this. So here, if I consider f of s is equal 1 by s square plus 1. Then if you differentiate it this for the first term, you will get this. If you consider f of s is equal 1 by s square plus 1 and differentiate this, complete the first differentiation, that means f prime s. What will be the answer for f prime s? If I consider f of s is equals to this, then what will be the answer for f prime s?
Minus 2s by s square plus 1 by whole square.
Yes, it is minus 2s divided by s square plus 1 whole square, and it is similar to this, right? And this is similar to this. So from since after first differentiation of f of s, we get this which is similar to this. So we can take decision our values for n is 1. if we get this function after the second differentiation of this, then our values for n is 2. If we get these by the third differentiation of f of s, then the values for n is 3. But here, if I consider f of s is equals to these and differentiate for the first time, we get this, which is similar to this given function. So the values of n for this property will be 1. Is it clear? So now use the properties. Now inverse Laplace transformation of this minus 2s by s square plus 1 whole square. What will be the result? Here it is f prime s is equal to this, which is similar to this. So your values for n is 1. It will be minus 1 to the power 1 t to the power 1 f of t. And find the f of t. This is f of s. What will be values for f of t?
Sin t, ma'am.
Yes. Since f of s is equal 1 by s square plus 1. So inverse Laplace transformation of f of s is equal inverse Laplace transformation of 1 by s square plus 1. That is sin t. And this is our f of t. So finally put the values of f of t in this equation. Inverse Laplace transformation minus 2s by s square plus 1 whole square is equal minus t sin t. Okay, so that's the answer for Laplace transformation of derivatives. Now you will go for integrals, and that is the last property for today. Since you have completed one CT before this class, so I will complete our today's class in the right time. Now you will learn the property for integration or for integrals. Inverse.
আমাদের কত বাকি ম্যাম?
Basically, Laplace transformation is divided into 3 chapters. The first one is find out Laplace transformation. Second one is inverse Laplace transformation. And the third one is application of Laplace transformation and inverse Laplace transformation. So we are in the second part. No, don't worry, I will complete your syllabus. We have 7 weeks, right? Yet we have 7 weeks. So in 7 weeks, we will get 14 classes, and within 14, probably I've completed it within 13 or 12 classes, okay? And one class will be a review class. How can you take your preparation? Something like this.
সাজেশন দিন ম্যাম, এত ম্যাথ
সাজেশন দেব আপনাদের তো সিটিতেই সাজেস্ট করেছি, তবে in this course, since it contains 2 parts, Fourier and Laplace, and both of them are lengthy course, especially Fourier analysis. So for the part Fourier analysis, try to solve those maths which I completed in your class and which I gave you as your homework or practice or exercise part. Except those maths, it is not necessary for you to practice from another books or another textbook, something like this. But if anyone interested, then he can practice from any type of textbook for increasing his confidence, okay?
ম্যাম পিডিএফ এর গুলো করলে কোন হবে না ম্যাম? আপনি তো পিডিএফ এর গুলো
Yes, that is enough for your closed exam, but when it goes for open book exam, then that will not be enough. All of you know that about the procedure of open book exam, right? In that case, we will pick up the different types of problems which is not as similar as your class problems. This is for your open book exam.
আমাদের ওপেন বুক এক্সাম হবে?
I don't know. We are taking preparation for both open and closed, but still there is
Oh,
no
acha,
decision
ma'am.
here.
আচ্ছা
Okay, so inverse Laplace transformation of integrals.
ম্যাডাম ওপেন বুক এক্সামের কথা কাউকে বলেন না ম্যাডাম, তাহলে আমাদের আবার শুরু করে দিবে। আজকে ফার্স্ট, আজকে লাস্ট।
No, it is not my responsibility to take decision either the exam will be open or closed. It is the responsibility for your authority. Probably academic, something like this, right? I don't know who take the decision. So inverse Laplace transformation of integrals. Can you see the board properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finding inverse Laplace transformation of integrals, and that's the property. What is this? If in your inverse Laplace transformations function contains one integral term, in that case that is known as inverse Laplace transformation of integrals. Since in this function it contains one integrals, that's why it is known as inverse Laplace transformation of integrals. Okay, in that case you can directly use that f of t divided by t. So the main thing is that to find capital F of t, and capital F of t is the Laplace transformation of small f of s. So your main target is to find f of s. And this is for all properties, right? Our main target is to find f of s, and this is the same for all properties. At first, this is the main and first step for using inverse Laplace transformation. So, what is our problem? Inverse Laplace transformation of integrals s to infinity 1 by u minus 1 by u plus 1 into du. Okay. So if you make a comparison, you can see that s to infinity f of u du. So it is obvious that here f of u is equal 1 by u minus 1 by u plus 1. Since your small f of u is this, then it is obligatory that your f of s will be 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 1. If we make a comparison with this term, with the left side of your property with the given function, then it is obligatory that your f of s will be 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 1, right? Since it is f of u, so it is obligatory. 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 1 is our f of s. Now you will find capital F of t by finding inverse Laplace transformation of f of s. So what will be the answer here? Inverse Laplace transformation of 1 by s is what? Yesterday we have learned that formula, right? 1 by s, inverse Laplace transformation of 1 by s is 1. And for this, it will be e to the power minus at, right? We have learned that 1 by s minus a is equal e to the power at. So from here, what will be the answer for 1 by s plus 1? Consider 1 by s plus 1 as
one minus
will be s minus minus 1. So your values will be minus 1. Okay, the values for a will be minus 1.
Ma'am, we take e to the power minus 1.
Yes, it is e to the power minus 1 into t. That means e to the power minus t. Okay, it is e to the power minus t. So it is our capital F of f. Now use the formula or the property directly. Is equal f of t by t, right? This
Ma'am,
is
1
equal
minus e to the power minus t কিভাবে হলো ম্যাম একটু আরেকবার যদি বলতেন
e to the power minus t.
না পুরোটাই 1 minus e to the power minus 1টা করতে গেছে
Oh, I see. Here at first, this is our f of s, so you have to find the inverse Laplace transformation of these, and it contains two parts. So you have to use the linearity property here. At first, find
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Laplace transformation of this, and after that this. And in our previous class, that means last class, we have learned that the inverse Laplace transformation of 1 by s is 1. I write down one table. Can you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
In
ma'am.
that case, the first formula is
can.
inverse Laplace transformation of 1 by s is equals to 1. So by using that formula, for this it will be 1. And here there is another property or formula 1 by s minus a is equal to e to the power 80. So write down 1 by s minus minus 1. So it will be e to the power minus 1 into t, e to the power minus t.
That is e to the minus 2. Okay, ma'am.
Now is it clear?
Got it. Yes, ma'am.
So directly we will find the inverse Laplace transformation of integration infinity 1 by u minus 1 by u plus 1 into du. And this is equal f of t by t. And this is our f of t. 1 minus e to the power minus t is our f of t. So 1 minus e to the power minus t by t. That's the answer by using properties of inverse Laplace transformation of integrals. Okay. Okay, since you have completed one CT before my class, so I will not extend this class anymore. I will stop here. If you have any problem regarding our today's lecture or any type of topic, then you may ask. Otherwise, I will stop here. By the number of ID number in the chat box, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
ম্যাম আপনি ডিসকানেক্ট হয়ে গেছিলেন, তারপরে মনে হয় ডিলিট হয়ে গেছে।
I see. So please write in your ID number again. I'm giving 2 minutes for write down your ID number on the chat box. And for reference book about the topic Laplace transformation, you can use the books by probably Shams Outline Series Laplace Transformation, and there is another book, Mathematical Methods of Volume 2, and the writer is Abdur Rahman. Probably the PDF of the second book is not available, but the PDF for Laplace Transformation of Shams Outline Series is available in the internet. And if you need, then you may mail me. I will also provide. The PDF file is also available to me for the Shams Outline Series. Okay.
জি ম্যাম, পিডিএফটা আমাদের দিয়ে দেন ম্যাম, বইয়ের ম্যাম।
Okay, one PDF is available to me. I will provide it.
যেটা আছে ওইটা দিন ম্যাম।
Okay.
ম্যাম আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Walaikum assalam. I think all of you have written your ID number, right? Is there anyone who didn't write it? I think today maximum student is absent. Only the participation number is 30.
আমি এক্সাম দিয়ে সবাই টায়ার্ড।
All of you are tired. But exam এর পরে তো free লাগার কথা. Normally before the time of or before the period of exam we feel tired.
ম্যাম আমরা এক্সাম শেষে দেখি পিডিএফ তৈরি হয় না, 5 মিনিট লেট।
ম্যাম
Yes.
রোল নাম্বার 51 এ একটু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে ম্যাম, ওর অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সে একটু ইয়া করে দিন, ও খুব সুন্দর
Okay,
কানেক্ট করতে
51. Okay. So thank you everyone for your participation, cooperation. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.
পারছে।
Walaikum Assalam.